What if there was an innovative, digitalized alternative to traditional optical microscopes? What if there was a user-friendly, efficient digital microscope that could optimize visual inspection in quality processes and create enriched communication and improved collaboration across the supply chain? Actually, there is. Contemporary digital camera microscopes are replacing traditional optical microscopes worldwide. Digital microscopes from Tagarno represent a digitalized approach to traditional ways of thinking microscopy. The digital revolution has added new life to the traditional optical microscopes, creating new, up-to-date digital possibilities and applications in the world of microscopy. The ease and efficiency of the digital microscope technology is the focal point in a digital microscope. This enables you to continuously optimize your processes. Tagarno microscopes are being used for a wide selection of processes in a variety of industries on a global scale. Tagarno microscopes are user-friendly, all-in-one solutions that you can use with little or no training at all. The ease of use of the Tagarno is one of the most important benefits. It is just plug and play. Working with it will enable you to optimize your processes and save time. Being able to obtain ergonomically correct working postures is a defining benefit of the digital microscopes from Tagarno, which are designed with ergonomic aspects in mind. All the digital microscopes use a digital signal combined with a monitor and therefore do not depend on an ocular for focusing. Your eyes, neck and back are relieved of unnecessary strain, paving the way for more adequate and efficient working processes for optimization of your results. A digital microscope provides you with unique opportunities to deeply improve collaboration and enrich communication between co-workers, customers and business partners. By creating excellent conditions for internal or external training and sparring, Tagarno gives you an incomparable chance to easily detect and describe problems to multiple viewers simultaneously. Via a single snapshot, you're able to create easily shareable, high-quality documentation through high-definition images produced by high-resolution cameras displayed on high-definition monitors and computers. With standalone or computer-connected digital microscopes, Tagarno paves the way for considerably improved communication by enabling you to document, share and explain your work and results to co-workers, as well as within departments, companies and supply chains. I am able to adapt and adjust this system to fit with my exact needs, which eases our quality control processes and allows me to perform at my workplace. The reach of this digital microscope provides me with sufficient space for moving even large objects around under the camera. When using the Tagarno, I can easily do measurements and drawings on high-resolution images, which I can share with my colleagues and customers in no time. The wide magnification range allows me to see every little detail of the magnified object very clearly. By being able to always download and transfer new features to the microscope, I have a bulletproof system which I can continuously update and adapt as I need it. I can easily customize my Tagarno to fit with my exact needs. My Tagarno provides me with a unique magnification tool since it has optical zoom, ultra-high frame rates and allows me to see the magnified object in ultra-clear 1080p image quality. By being able to quickly capture uncompressed images and video in full HD quality directly to the microscope or to a computer, I can easily share high-quality documentation with my colleagues and business partners. This feature enables me to create one ultra-sharp image by stacking images with different focuses on top of each other. By activating the on-screen ruler function, I can perform accurate measurements directly on screen and save images with graphics for great documentation material. I am able to quickly magnify objects up to 297 times by using an ultra-high quality +25 lens. This stable and robust digital microscope allows me to execute the job with no distortion or interference from movements or shakes. In my work, I need to be able to quickly do measurements and drawings on ultra-sharp images, which are easy to share with colleagues, customers and business partners. With a great magnification range, this tool enables me to get a clear view of the magnified object and the smallest details. With this avant-garde and intelligent digital microscope, I am able to easily update and adjust the system to fit perfectly with my needs. My Tagarno is a great magnification tool, which perfectly reproduces the object I put under the camera by using optical zoom, ultra-high frame rates and 1080p image quality displayed. By being able to quickly capture uncompressed images and video in full HD quality directly to the microscope or to a computer, I can easily share high-quality documentation with my colleagues and business partners. With this digital microscope, I am able to quickly magnify objects up to 590 times in high-quality live image without any image interference. This stable and robust microscope enables me to see exactly what is under the camera, no distortion or delay, even at higher magnification levels. By stacking images with different focuses on top of each other, I'm able to capture one image which is sharp all the way through, no blurred and out of focus areas. The ruler function allows me to do precise on-screen measurements and also create documentation by saving an image with graphics afterwards. This digital microscope gives us a simple, intuitive and cost-efficient alternative to complex solutions. Because of the wide range of compatible accessories which fits with this system, I am able to adapt it to fit 100% with my needs. I can quickly perform measurements and drawings on high-definition images which I can easily save and share with customers and business partners. With the magnification possibilities, I am able to get a close view of the magnified object, which thereby enables me to perform an excellent visual inspection. The Agile system from Tagarno provides me with one easily updated and customized digital microscope to use in a variety of processes, since it is easily updated with new features when I need it. By providing optical zoom and high frame rates, my Tagarno is a high-quality digital microscope which provides me with a live image displayed in ultra-clear full HD image quality. The microscope can easily capture images in magnificent full HD quality to your computer or directly to the microscope, creating quick ways of documenting my work to colleagues and business partners. This Tagarno is a cost-efficient, simple and intuitive alternative to complex solutions. The focus stacking feature is giving me an all-sharp image without blurred and out-of-focus areas of the image by stacking images with different focuses on top of each other. The on-screen ruler functionality enables me to do accurate measurements on magnified objects and afterwards save the image for documentation. With this microscope, I am able to quickly magnify objects up to 82 times. This Tagarno microscope enables me to view the magnified objects in full HD image quality, which gives me a great tool for quality control processes. This microscope is easily mounted on a flex arm or directly on the wall, giving me a flexible tool which is easily adjustable to fit my needs. When using this system, there's no interference or delay, which ensures consistency and quality in our processes. The digital microscope has a magnificent depth of field and a great overview of the magnified objects due to its extreme light sensitivity. With a computer, it is possible to store, edit or distribute uncompressed video in full HD quality. This Tagarno microscope provides me with a great tool for visual inspection, since it allows me to see the magnified object in ultra-clear full HD image quality. What you see on the monitor is exactly what is under the camera. No distortion, delay or interference, which ensures high quality in our processes. With a digital microscope that is extremely sensitive to light, it gives an excellent depth of field and a great overview of the magnified objects. Computer options makes it possible for me to store uncompressed video and images in full HD quality for further editing or sharing.